Okay, we're going to learn about major seventh chords. Major seventh chords are happy sounding chords, and they basically have, out of a major scale, the 1, the 3, the 5, and the 7. Okay? And they're all just the natural notes out of the scale, okay? So we're going to learn how to play it in two different ways. We're going to learn how to play it where we're always going to play the root in the left hand. So we're going to start on C major 7. So let's play the root in the left hand, the note C. And the right hand, we're going to learn it two ways. We're going to learn how to play the full chord, which is C, E, G, and B, 1, 3, 5, and 7. That's a major 7 chord. Okay, so that's the first way we're going to learn how to play each chord. Okay, now there are 12 chords because there's 12 different keys. So we're going to learn to go around something called the cycle of fourths. So we're going to go C and then up 4 notes. We're going to learn F next, and then we go up 4 notes to B flat, and so on. So I'll explain that a little bit more in a second. So let's get back to C. Let's play our root in our left hand, and let's play the full chord in the right hand. And I would recommend holding the right hand down, or the left hand down, sorry. Left hand down. And playing this rhythm in the right hand, okay? And when you learn these, there's a comping exercise where you're going to play along with drums and bass. And so you're going to make up your own rhythms and kind of vary them. It's called comping, okay? So we're going to play C. Here's C major 7. Now the other way I want you to play it is to get rid of the root and just play the 3rd, 5th, and 7th. Because if you're playing in a band, you're not always going to be playing this root, because usually the bass player will have the root covered. And in some cases, in a lot of cases, it's not good to take the bass player's note away from him or her, okay? So here's our first method is to play it with the root in the right hand. And then let's go where we play the same chord. I'm still imagining that note, the C, but I just skip it and I play E, G, and B. And you're going to notice that this actually makes a minor chord. Some people think of this as E minor over C. I wouldn't recommend that for right now. I would just think of this as C major 7. Okay, so that's just the triad over the top of the different bass. Let's play the full chord. Good. All right, let's go up to the key of F. So we're going to go up the circle of fourths. So there's the F scale. So you're going to find the 1 in the bass, 1 in the right hand. 3rd is A, 5th is C, and the 7th is E. There's your F major 7. And so once you play these enough, you're going to just be able to visualize them. Like I can visualize the notes on the keyboard without looking at the keyboard. Okay, I can see that F, A, C, and E in my mind, and that's how you're going to get, okay? So let's play it again. That's the full chord. And then we're going to move up to just play the triad. Let's get rid of the root in the right hand and just play the triad over the bass. That's the A minor triad over F. But I would think of it as just F, A, C, E, and you just left the F out. Good. Let's go back to C. We're going to always review what we learned, okay? Let's find C. See if you can find the full chord. And then let's get rid of the root in the right hand. That's how I want you to do it. Learn it two ways, okay? Let's go to F. Let's play the full chord. And let's get rid of the root in the right hand. Good. Okay. Nice. Now, we're going to go to another key. We're going to go up 4 notes, and we're in the key of B flat now. Right? Key of B flat. It's got a B flat and E flat. So, our major 7 chord is going to be the 1, the 3, the 5, and the 7. That's B flat, D, F, and A. And I move my hand, I kind of get in the weeds here. That's the full B flat major 7 chord. Okay? So find that. All right. Now let's go up and let's just get rid of that root. And now we have D, F, and A over B flat. Again, I'm still picturing this, I'm just choosing not to play it. I can play it if I want, or I can play it with a little more of a concise sound because we're not doubling the root then. All right? And the other thing is, after you learn these chords, you're going to learn how to add other notes on top. And so by getting rid of the root here, you have more fingers for, this note would be the ninth, and we'll get to that in another lesson, okay? All right. Good, let's review. C major 7, let's just play it. Full chord. Get rid of the root in the right hand. That's how we'll always do those, okay? F major 7, play the full chord. Get rid of the root in the right hand. Good. Let's find that new chord, B flat major 7. All right, there it is. B flat, D, F, and A. And let's get rid of the root in the right hand. Try that. Notice I'm always playing the root with it. Good, let's go up 4 notes. Now we're on E flat, okay? E flat major scale has 3 flats. B flat, E flat, and A flat. Okay, so let's find the E flat major 7 chord. E flat, G, B flat, and D. Okay, so let's play that, get used to playing that. Okay, now let's get rid of the root in the right hand and let's play this. Basically it's a G minor chord over E flat. But still, picture that E flat, just don't play it. Let's go back to the full chord. Get rid of the root. Let's go back to B flat. Let's see if you can remember that one. We're always going to go back and review B flat. There's our B flat. And we're going to play that, and then let's try getting rid of the root in the right hand. Good. Let's go back to the E flat we learned. Just practicing. Okay. All right, there we go. How about a C major 7? Let's play the full chord. And then let's get rid of the root. Let's go up to F major 7, try that one. Full chord. Let's get rid of the root. Let's go to B flat major 7, play the full chord. Let's get rid of the root. Let's go to that E flat major 7. And let's get rid of the root in the right hand. All right. So we got C, F, B flat, E flat, all major 7 chords. That's 4 chords. We're going to do 2 more in this video, okay? All right. Next one, you're going to do A flat, major 7. So you're going to have A flat, C, E flat, and G. All right, so let's play the chord all together. All right, and now if we're going to get rid of the root, we just go up to basically a C minor chord over A flat. A flat, full chord. Get rid of the A flat. All right. So let's go back to the beginning. Let's play C major 7, full chord. Get rid of the root. Now go to F major 7, full chord. Get rid of the root. B flat major 7, full chord. Get rid of the root. E flat major 7, full chord. Now get rid of the root. A flat major 7, I'm going to go down here. And let's get rid of the root. D flat major 7. is the last chord we're going to do in this video, okay? Now D flat, you can either think about it as D flat, major 7, or you can think about it as C sharp major 7. Okay, I'm going to call it D flat major 7. So basically you have D flat, F, A flat, and a C. All right, let's try it again. So you got D flat, F, A flat, C. Okay, D flat major 7. Now let's get rid of that root and we end up with an F minor over D flat. All right, nice job. We made it through all 6. Let's review them. So we got C major 7, full chord, get rid of the root. How about F major 7, full chord, get rid of the root. How about B flat major 7, get rid of the root. And E flat major 7. And get rid of the root on that one. And let's go to A flat major 7. And let's get rid of the root. And how about D flat major 7 or C sharp major 7? Okay. And technically in C sharp it would be C sharp, E sharp, G sharp, and B sharp technically, okay? D flat would be D flat, F, A flat, C, because I'm following the notes in the key signature of that key, okay? Good, let's do it one more time from the top, okay? So C major 7, get rid of the root. F major 7, get rid of the root. B flat major 7, get rid of the root. E flat major 7, get rid of the root. A flat major 7, get rid of the root. D flat major 7, get rid of the root. Okay, so work on this video as many times as you need to. Really, you need to get it so you can play it very effortlessly. Like something like this. Round the cycle of fourths. Okay. All right, nice job. When you have these 6 chords really nailed, then head on over to learn the next 6 major 7 chords. Okay, nice job.